Y'all come on. Where's Candy? Do we have a baby somewhere we don't know about? No? Wait. I see Hadassah coming. So where's Candy? So Rudy took a roll in the hay a while ago. He's just getting knocked out. Everybody's knocking Rudy out. But he took a roll in the hay already. Ah, look at here. The babies are running. Hadassah. What do y'all think? Where is Candy? What y'all want to butt heads for? Rudy, you getting in trouble all the time. Where? Oh, I see Candy. She's coming. She's so close to having her baby. She's just so slow when it comes to stuff. Come on. Well, you can't holler wait on me and you dragging up. They ain't waiting. What you hunting, Trixie? She knows there's something in there she wants. It ain't grass. Well, come on, Mama. Rudy, you just love laying in that grass. You're taking him another roll in the hay. Loud mouth. What you telling him to move? Come on. He's coming. He's bringing more. He's bringing more. Candy, you should have a baby any day. I mean, you are getting there. Oh my goodness. We're getting close.
Okay guys, on our homestead here, we use the old technology and new technology both together. We use the old Cub Farmall with the sickle bar on it, the number 22 sickle bar, to cut the grass down. And then I come in with the Kubota with the grapple on it, and I've learned if I tilt that grapple backwards, I can drag it, and I can pick up almost every bit of the grass off the ground. Then I can bring it up here and kind of sift it out in case any little bit of dirt gets in or anything. I can shake it and sift it, and it's fresh cut grass for the cattle. They literally love it. I have learned I'm not having to rotate my paddocks as much as I normally would, because if I do this early in the mornings, the cows will come out here and they'll fill up on this fresh green grass, and then they'll go lay down, and they're not putting any pressure on the paddocks as far as eating them down too low. It's a win-win for us, because the place that we're cutting is just an open patch in the woods back here that I'll eventually, probably after Wanda and I have talked about it, at some point we probably will eventually fence all that in. But right now, it's like knee-deep in Bahia grass. So we've decided, rather than just let it sit there and just go to seed and do nothing, to take some of the pressure off our paddocks, we'll just go in and we'll cut it, bring it up here, and the cows love it. I mean, they literally love it. They don't have to go walking around in fields out here trying to get what they need. They can stand right here and they can eat everything they eat. It's just like feeding hay in the wintertime, except we're feeding green grass in the summertime. And we have lots more land that's like this, that has trees with Bahia grass all around them, that we're probably going to spend most of the summer going in, cutting that once it gets deep again, bringing it and feeding it to the cows. And we're saving our hay fields over here so that we can cut and bale that later on in the summer. We was hoping to get at least 2 cuttings off of it this summer. So maybe all that'll come to fruition. And you can see these cows, they literally love not having to go out and stand around, and they can get a full mouthful, like Mr. Duke there. He just gets a big old mouthful of grass, and these cows can fill up real quick, go lay down, and just enjoy the rest of the day underneath the shade in this 100-degree temperature we're having every day. It's better to do this early in the mornings than it is to wait during the day when the heat gets up.